Well, I got involved in the static electricity problem solving world in 1976. So it's been a while. And the company that I operate, that I started, is called StaticWorx. And it's kind of interesting. You talked about giving away information, taking what's here and passing it on to the next generation. Because when we started our company, we had to think about not just who we want to be, but how we want to be what we are. And we made what we thought at the time was a risky decision, which was, let's just give information away. I'm sure everybody that's listening has had to deal with that. If you want the article, you have to provide your email. And the next thing you know, for the rest of your life, you're getting one email per day because you made that mistake. Well, we don't like that. I think most people don't. So we just decided, let's give it away and see what happens. And the best thing about it, and this is an old, I guess, rhetorical statement, the best customer is an educated customer.
Ding, 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 ding. 10,000 points right there. Say that again, please.
The best customer client is an educated one.
Thank you.